If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can also create multiple estimates for the same job if needed. For example, you may need to do this if you have a client that needs a few different pricing options for a job and thus needs multiple estimates for the same job. You can easily duplicate and modify an existing estimate versus creating an entirely new estimate for the same job to save time performing data entry. To do this, first display the estimate that you want to duplicate within the Estimates window. Then select Edit, Duplicate Estimate from the menu bar to duplicate the estimate. You should see the next highest available estimate number then appear within the Estimate Number field. Edit the details shown within the new estimate by changing the information contained in the line item area of the new estimate. Be sure to save the new estimate you create by clicking either the Save and Close or Save and New buttons. If you do not want to create a second estimate for a job by duplicating an existing estimate, you can always create a new estimate for the same job from scratch if you prefer. Also, if you choose to duplicate an estimate, be careful when you select the Duplicate Estimate command from the menu bar, as it is located right next to the Delete Estimate command in the drop-down menu. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.